Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Thursday the 7th of May. Now let's have a look at Eurodollar, which has been falling quite sharply in the last few sessions. 3 bear candles in a row. That takes us to the bottom of what we see as this near to medium term range. You can take the bottom of 725 up towards sort of 10 big figure, really. 10.15 was the reaction high, but essentially 10 big figure, which had been this old floor throughout November to January, has become resistance back again as the volatility has just settled down once more. So taking that as the resistance of the range, but 725 to 770, the levels coming in interesting. 107. Sorry, 107.25 to 107.70, but 107.75 has been today's low, pretty much there or thereabouts. As the market has just started to consolidate, we saw suggestions from the ECB that the response to the German Constitutional Court is going to be limited. They're going to be sort of pushing perhaps for the Bundesbank to be the main line of response. And I think the market has sort of taken that with a pretty decent line of support, I think, for the euro. Still a little bit of downside risk perhaps playing out, because obviously you do have a broad risk rally today and the euro has not really moved on that. But and that may sort of suggest there is still a little bit of caution surrounding the euro. But I think essentially you've still got to play this as a range. 725 to 770, decent support. That is holding at the moment. And the market, I think, ultimately, if you look at the momentum indicators as well, is fairly range bound. RSI 42. The lows of that RSI of April was 40, 41. So yeah, I think that we still continue to play this as a range. Hourly chart starting to settle down actually since the big sharp move to the downside yesterday morning. We haven't really gone anywhere, just holding ground. Momentum indicators just starting to ease slightly. You've got this downtrend, you could argue, of the past few sessions. That comes in this morning at around 108.20 area, but 108.10 being an old sort of level of support, basically now becoming a bit of a resistance. But you've got resistance overhead, 108.10 to 108.30. 108.30 band being, if I get my crosshair, around about there or thereabouts, the floor of support from Tuesday into Wednesday. So that's now resistance, and coinciding also with the downtrend, that is resistance overhead, 108.10 to 108.30. 108.90 is that big pivot on the middle of the range, and I do expect that we will be revisiting that pivot at some stage soon as the support starts to come in. But certainly Eurodollar starting to find some support. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.